Hello everyone, welcome to GK class for class 7. This is your book of general knowledge for class 7. Today we are going to do lesson number 7 on page number 11, Character Creators. Various authors have created immortal characters in their books. The characters of the books are the fictional figures that travel through the plot. They are created by the author, are made of the words rather than the flesh and blood. Here, some name of the books are given. You need to identify the characters and the name of the writer, author who has written these books. Let's discuss more about these famous characters created by the different authors and writers. Let's discuss about Treasure Island. Treasure Island is a book written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Its main character is Jim Hawkins. Jim is the son of an innkeeper in England. He is eager and enthusiastic to go to sea and hunt for treasure. He is a modest narrator, never boasting up of remarkable courage. And next we are going to discuss about The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Here the important character is Antonio. Antonio is the title character, an influential, powerful and wealthy nobleman of Venice. He is a middle-aged man and a merchant by trade. He is kind, generous, honest and confident person. He is the structural center of the play and whole play revolves around him. Our next book is Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle is a short story by American author Washington Irving. The main character of the story is Rip Van Winkle, who is a kind, gentle and generous man who is eager and willing to help his neighbor but who hates to work for profit on his own farm. Rip escapes the torment of his wife's complaints by sitting and talking with his group of friends. In order to escape, he meets a stranger and falls asleep for 20 years. Our next book is Paradise Lost, written by John Milton. It is an epic poem in a blank verse by 17th century. Adam is the main character. Adam is a strong, intelligent and rational character possessed of a remarkable relationship with God. In fact, before the fall, he is as perfect as a human being can be. Next, we are going to talk about Harry Potter series. It is a well-known series written by J.K. Rowling. Harry is the main character who is orphan, and on his 11th birthday, he comes to know that he is a wizard. He started learning magic. He is a brave, loyal and selfless boy. Now we are going to talk about another famous series. James Bond is known as 007. James Bond series is written by writer Ian Fleming. The main character of this series is James Bond. James Bond is a British Secret Service agent, also known by their code number 007, has been adapted for television, radio, comic strip, video games and films. Another book is David Copperfield, written by Charles Dickens. It's one of the character name is Wilkins Micawber, is a melodramatic, kind-hearted gentleman who has a way with words and eternal optimism. He befriends David as a young boy in London. Micawber suffers from the financial difficulties. He emigrates to Australia where he enjoys a successful career. Next we are going to discuss about the Da Vinci Code, written by Dan Brown. Its one of the character name is Robert Langdon. It is a fictional character created by the author. He is known for a brilliant problem-solving mind. Next we are going to discuss about Twilight series. It is written by Stephenie Meyer. Its main character is Isabella Bella Swan. The protagonist of the series teenager Bella is a danger magnet with a dark brown hair and brown eyes. After her transformation into a vampire in the saga 4th installment, Bella acquires the ability to shield both herself and others from the mental harm from the other vampires. Next, we are going to discuss about Peter Pan series. Peter Pan series is created by James Matthew Barrie. Its main character is Peter Pan, a free-spirited and mischievous young boy who can fly and never grown up. He spends his never-ending childhood having adventures on Island of Neverland as the leader of Lost Boys. War and Peace is written by Leo Tolstoy. The Pierre Bezukhov is a central fictional character. He is the favorite out of the several illegitimate sons of the wealthy nobleman. He is the large-bodied, ungainly, and socially awkward son of an old Russian grandee. His unexpected inheritance of a large fortune makes him socially desirable. Next, we are going to discuss about The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Here the important character is Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry Finn is a fictional character. He is a son of the town's vagrant drunkard Pap Finn. He is a playful but practical. He is inventive but logical person. Next, we are going to discuss about the Sherlock Holmes series is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The main character is Sherlock Holmes, is a fictional private detective created by author. Holmes is known for proficiency in observation, deduction, forensic science, and logical reasoning, which he employs when investigating cases for a wide variety of clients. Our next book is Tess of the D'Urberville Wilds. Its important character is name is Angel Clare, a fictional character, the idealistic husband of the title character. Our next book name is Faust, written by Johann Wolfgang van Goethe. Its one of the character name is Mephistopheles. He plays both the parts of tempter and devil as well as those of the court jester and comedian through a series of tricks and decides. Mephistopheles confounds Faust's quest for love and eventually secures his eternal suffering as the devil's servant. Now I hope you understood the topic. You are able to solve the exercises by yourself. I will come with the next video. Thank you.